Hello, this exercise is exercise 11. It's the last exercise in lesson 6 in the self-study guide. We're going to enter student loan interest information for Karen Wilson. Rather than go all the way out, come back in as I've been doing, we'll just stay in Karen Wilson's return. Normally, you'll have a whole bunch of forms to enter. You'll just stay in the return and enter them all. So we're in her return, and you find a form for student loan interest, which is a 1098E. Where that's entered is as a deduction. It's an adjustment, actually. And so adjustments are under deduction, the federal section. There are deductions. There are adjustments. And we can go in and we can go down until we ultimately find student loan interest, way down here almost at the bottom. We could click on that. We could enter it in and we could key in the information. Now, I do want to get you used to using the form finder. It's much quicker. And so if we knew that this was student loan, without knowing the form number even, we could just key in student loan keywords, and look, it found form 1098E, student loan interest. We'll click on it here. We'll go in that via that navigation. And there it is, student loan interest deduction. Now it tells us in exercise 11 that her deduction was, or her interest was $3,000. Now in 2024, it's 2023 tax year we're putting in for, but in 2023 it was the same. The maximum that can be claimed is $2,500. That's the maximum credit. So there's the $3,000. We're going to put that in. That's now been saved. Now we're going to do, just to see, so we're going to go look at, and what you should be doing each time you finish an exercise, which we've just finished, is going in and looking at the results for that exercise, comparing your results to those results in the answer sheet, and then ensuring that they're correct. So this is exercise 11. So I'm going to exercise 11, and I know that for student loan interest deduction, that shows up on Schedule 1, line 21. Well, how do I get there? I'm going to go to the summary print here, and it's going to show me the 1040, and the 2 pages of the 1040 are the first numbers 1 and 2 up here. 3 and 4, that's Schedule 1, pages 1 and 2. 5 and 6 is Schedule 2, pages 1 and 2. And 7 and 8 are Schedule 3, the first page and the second page of Schedule 3. Well, I've got Schedule 1, line 21 I'm looking for. Schedule 1 is 3 and 4. That's pretty far along, so I'm going to assume it's on the second page of Schedule 1. And in fact, yeah, there it is. It starts at 11 and it runs down. By the way, there's the educator expenses we entered for her, the $300 that she was fully received. And somewhere down in here it says, line 21, there's the student loan interest deduction. Remember, we entered $3,000. And on line 21, the amount that she was allowed is $2,500, which is the maximum amount. So again, once you've entered your and completed your exercises, then go to the answer sheets and verify that you've accurately input it and that your numbers match.